We're about to get litty, baby. She's chucking it.
Come on.
And now you're mine.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you.
All right, sweetie, so we ended up eating lunch at Maxie's, and the food was bomb.com. When I say bomb.com, so bomb that we ended up eating breakfast here the next day, which you'll see in the vlog tomorrow. But like I said, everything was delicious. We tasted a little bit of everybody's food. Most of them got steak and some sides, but I ended up getting some chicken Alfredo. It was fire. So we enjoyed our food. Look at all of us, healthy and blessed. This is a shrimp kebab. It was bomb too. So in the next clips moving forward, you're going to see us go to Fremont Street, where it's the lit spot in Vegas. So if you ever travel to Vegas, go to Fremont Street. Thanks to my cousin. My cousin was actually out Las Vegas as well, so we met up with her. She's the one that told us about Fremont Street, so that's just where we ended up. And it was a time, honey. We had a time. So go ahead and enjoy the rest of the footage. Make sure you give the video a fat thumbs up.
We're about to get litty, baby.
Me? I ain't chugging it.
Yeah, you gotta ease it in there.
Oh, ease it in there?
Yeah, you gotta ease it in there.
So this is the Red Bull?
No. The glass.
The whole glass goes in there.
Oh, wait.
Oh.
First of all,
But it touched the,
put a little on this.
it touched the table on the glass.
Yeah, because
It touched all over the thing.
Nachos, chicken nachos.
We got a napkin to wipe it off with. Yeah.
Is that what you got?
And then it just goes in.
I'm looking for some side plates right now.
Yeah.
Here's some napkins too.
What I do?
Drink it.
He's bringing some plates for special things and nonsense.
You gotta
Really
chuck it
chuck it.
down.
She's chucking it.
Come on. Okay.
I don't want it to hit my tooth.
This is just how she was in Philadelphia.
All right, lemon drop.
He's bringing a plate out.
That was good. How was it?
Good.
It was good. It tastes like Red Bull. Where's the spoon?
This is for the table.
Oh.
All right, y'all. So at this point, I'm tipsy and cracking up because somebody pulled the fire alarm. But you know how you drink and you get hungry? Yep, that's me. I'm on my way to get my burger, honey. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to Lifeasteeelle. Give this video a fat thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell, share, leave me a comment, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'm out. Peace.